Master the Basics, Coursera IT Fundamentals Course Overview. Have you ever wondered how the digital world around you works? Coursera's IT Fundamentals course is your gateway to unraveling the mysteries of information technology. Designed for beginners, this course offers a comprehensive introduction to essential IT concepts, setting a solid foundation for those eager to explore the tech industry. At the heart of this course is a focus on core IT principles. From understanding computer hardware and operating systems to networking and cybersecurity basics, the curriculum is crafted to provide a well-rounded understanding of the IT landscape. Whether you're a student aiming to build a career in tech or a professional seeking to upskill, the IT Fundamentals course equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the digital age confidently. One of the standout features of Coursera's approach is the flexibility it offers. The IT Fundamentals course is structured to fit into any schedule, allowing you to learn at your own pace. This means you can balance your learning with other commitments, making it easier to achieve your educational goals. Moreover, Coursera provides access to a global network of peers and industry experts, offering valuable insights and support throughout your learning journey. Diving deeper into the course specifics, you'll explore topics such as data management, troubleshooting, and customer support, skills that are highly sought after in the tech industry. Each module is designed to build on the previous one, ensuring a cohesive learning experience. By the end of the course, you'll not only understand the theoretical aspects of IT but also gain practical skills through hands-on projects and real-world scenarios. One of the key benefits of completing the IT Fundamentals course is the opportunity to earn a certification from Coursera. This certificate serves as a testament to your newly acquired skills and can be a significant asset in your resume or LinkedIn profile, making you stand out in a competitive job market. Practical advice for prospective students: commit to a regular study schedule, participate actively in discussion forums, and don't hesitate to reach out for help when needed. Leveraging these resources will enhance your learning experience and ensure you get the most out of the course. How do you see this course fitting into your career or learning goals? Share your thoughts and join the conversation.